Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use File Explorer on Mac, full guide. Open Finder from the dock or press command space and type Finder to launch it, then explore the sidebar and view options. I'll guide you through navigation, searching, tagging, and organizing files so you can manage documents confidently. Follow each step and try shortcuts as I point them out to speed up your work. Start by learning the Finder window layout so you can find files fast. Use views to toggle icons, list, columns, and gallery depending on the job at hand. Create folders and rename items, drag to move, or use copy and paste to relocate files. Use the search bar with filters to narrow results and save smart folders for repeated searches. I'll share quick tips to speed your routine. Organizing files makes the Finder far more useful every day. Add tags and colors to group files, and use smart folders to surface them automatically. Learn key shortcuts like Command-Shift-N to create folders and Command-Delete to move items to trash. Turn on Path Bar and Preview to see file locations and Quick Info without opening files. Practice these habits and your file workflow will be.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.